Yan na, Lolo Bron. Sagasaan mo yan, Lolo Bron. Ipakita mong tigas ng katawan mo. Sagasaan mo. Ay, pinasa. Dalton. Bang! Dalton connect. 3 points. O, Davis, bigay mo, Lolo Bron. Sagasa, Lolo Bron. Ay, pinasa. Binalik. Sinalaksak. Oh, 2 points, Lolo Bron. Wala. Salaksak, Davis. Bang! At simula. Tapusa nga, baldog. Binalik. Yun. Davis si Wimby, oh. Ay, pusang itim. Tapal. Yan. Wala si Wimby. At simura, salaksak mo. 2 points. Nasa Spurs. Wimby versus Davis. At tinirahan si Davis, oh. Ay, pasok. Wala, napakahaba ng kamay ni Wimby. Ayan pa. Traveling. Dalton, connect. Yun. Yan, Davis, oh. Bang! Pasok. Dalton, connect. Saksak. Yan, Davis. Wala si Wimby. Ito si inano ng mukha. Buti, hindi na foul. Buti, pumasok ko. Buti, hindi siya na foul doon. Yan, gaganti na. Uy! Yes. Pumasok ko. Yan, Angelo Russell. Pasok. Yun, 2 in 1. Angelo Russell, mukhang ngayon lang medyo nagkaka-score ngayong game na to eh. Ilang game, puro ano to eh. Puro baldog to si Angelo Russell eh. Ayan na naman si Wimby, oh. Iwanan si Lolo Bron. Max Christie. Kasaan mo si Chris Paul. Pasok. Ayan si Lolo Bron. Ayan si Angelo Russell. Ayan, oh, ngayon lang niya nag-i-score si Angelo Russell. Kahapon puro baldog yan eh. Yan. Pasok. Yun. Buti pumapasok ng tira ni Russell. Tapos sunod na laro ito, puro baldog na naman ito. Trade na yan. Ragis. Hindi consistent yung laruan eh. Triple-double na naman dito si Lolo Bron, mga idol. Mga Lakers fans yan, magtatalunan tayo dahil pang 5 triple-double na ni Lolo Bron ngayon. Sa regular season pa lang yan, ha, triple-double na. Ilang game pa lang, naka-triple-double na, 5 triple-double si Lolo Bron. Yung score niya medyo bumaba pero triple-double naman. Talagang all around si Lolo Bron. Ayan, oh, nagasa na, oh. Pagdating sa 4th quarter, yan si Lolo Bron. Huwag na huwag yung bibitawan yan dahil yari kayo dyan. Araro kayo dyan. Yan mga pasa ni Lolo Bron, oh. Oh, pasok! 19 points lamang noon. Si Wimby, napakatangkad, oh. Parang panungkit. Salaksakan mo, oh! Let's go Lakers! Let's go Lolo Bron! Ayan! Let's go Lolo Bron! Panalo na! Buti natigil yung streak na talo. Triple-double, 16 points. 10 rebounds, 11 assists. LeBron James, the King, the GOAT. Ayan mga idol, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, pakisupport naman po, pakisubscribe po. Yung mga Lakers fans dyan, pasensyahan nyo na yung video ko dahil iwas copyright po tayo. Hindi pa tayo master mag-upload ng mga basketball. Inuumpisa-umpisahan pa lang natin kung paano pag-upload ng mga ganito.
Christie just had a big dunk. And it's getting low. But Christie can get to it. Christie next throw. Got it. Here his squad is coming to play tonight. Oh, yeah. Jones gets it back. Stumbles. Somehow got it up and won it. Penny, one dribble. That's underneath. Barnes got it for two. Over the alley. And Penny turns. Puts it up. And the one-handed pass intercepted by Wemby. Castle. Penny freeze. It was 19. It was a 9-2 Spurs start, but the defense is better tonight for the Lakers. Oh, don't we go? And Reeves. Side spin. James to Reeves. Reeves. James. This game tonight not going to be a tough game. Was it? Yeah. No. Fighting for it. Puts it. The crowd can sense a little momentum. Reeves fights through it. From downtown in this game, shot 40% from three. James, that's it. At least two, you mentioned that before. James, no look, and there's Dalton Connect.